Swosti is a mobile-based automated emergency credit scheme for the poor and unbanked people in Bangladesh. It is basically a kind of alternative way of giving emergency credit when people are barely need the money. You see, for the wealthy people, the banks are offering different type of credit scheme, including the credit card. But for more than 90 to 95%, they do not have access to emergency credit scheme. So Swosti basically working with that. It is integrating with the mobile banking platform and also the funding institute. So when a member is registered with Swosti system, with her or his registered mobile number, she or he can ask for the money by putting a simple SMS or IVR call to the server, and if the system validates the request or the confirmation, sends a confirmation message to his or her mobile number, then she can go to the nearest mobile bank agent point or ATM booth or bank branches and withdraw the money. And it is irrespective of his place of location or any time in the day. So it is serving that anytime and any place this emergency credit facility is available for them. And the repayment is also same. Repayment they can also make the payment through bank agent point or the branches, and it is also irrespective of his place of residence. And alternatively, very recently we have also introduced these Swosti apps. So with the Swosti apps, people can make her payment through his MFI field officer and adjust the loan. Withdrawal and repayment process is quite simple because we are working with the mostly illiterate or semi-literate people, and they are the lower and lower middle class segment of the society. For the withdrawal kind of thing, if he or she is registered with the Swosti, he is a member of Swosti then, and whenever he is in emergency kind of need, like children's education, some sort of medical emergency, some sort of household expenditure, some sort of travel expense, they can ask for the money by pushing one SMS to the dedicated number. Once the SMS is validated by the system, he or she can go to the nearest ATM booth of mobile bank or the agent point or the branches and withdraw the money. And on the other hand, in case of repayment, he or she can come forward to the agent point or the bank branches and make the payment, and his or her loan is adjusted. Yeah, future plans is this. You see this, though the banks are offering so many type of credit program, including the credit card, the number of credit card in Bangladesh is quite very low. It is not more than 1 million, and with a population of 160 million people in Bangladesh, the number can be considered very negligible. So I believe need for cash in its emergency is kind of basic need, as our Nobel laureate Professor Dr. Mohammad Yunus told that getting the money is a kind of right for every human being. So we believe it is a kind of proper replacement for the unbanked people. Additionally, what is happening, these people doesn't have any shelter of going to get the money in case of need. If they go to get the money, they usually go to the nearest greedy money lenders, and their rate of interest is very high. They charges interest rate as high as 200 to 500%, whereas the Swosti rate of interest is very low. It is almost comparable with the bank's lending rate, as well as the money loan repayment is very flexible. So definitely it is going to benefit the most of the people in the society, mass level people in the society, and definitely it is going to benefit them a lot, and it will bring smile to the society as a whole.